Do you ever feel like you need a change?
Perhaps starting on this program is part of the change you are making in your life.
Just as individuals evolve, organizations must adapt to keep up with growing competition, technological advancements, and changing customer expectations.
Businesses must continuously refine their products, processes, business models, and computer applications to remain competitive in the marketplace.
This is where a project manager or PM plays a crucial role, guiding organizations through the complexity of project life cycles.
Project managers organize, plan, and execute projects while working within restraints like budgets and schedules.
PMs lead entire teams, define project goals, communicate with stakeholders, and see a project through to its closure.
This professional certificate is designed and built by subject matter and industry experts in the field. Every course has been created to equip you with theoretical and practical knowledge and real-life problem-solving skills to be successful in an entry-level job.
In designing the Project Manager program, we conducted thorough research into the role's demands. By analyzing job listings and collaborating with professionals in the field, we tailored a curriculum to match the skills required in modern project management.
You can be confident that our program provides you with the practical skills and knowledge demanded by employers, preparing you effectively for your future career as a project manager.
On completion of this professional certificate, you'll have a solid foundation in the fundamental concepts of project management, including describing the basic concepts and principles of project management, identifying and analysing the different approaches taken to project planning, and discussing the value and benefits that a project management office, or PMO, can bring to an organisation.
In each course, you'll be able to consolidate what you have learned by completing a capstone project that simulates real-world project management scenarios.
You'll also complete a final capstone project where you'll experience managing a project from concept to closeout, delivering its intended benefits and solving problems as they arise.
Using a real-world scenario, you'll lead a project through the full project life cycle, utilising Microsoft Excel as the project tool to track, manage and monitor the project processes.
To round off your learning, you'll take a mock exam that has been set up in a similar style to the industry-recognised PMI Authorised PMP exam, a global standard in project management certification.
Earning the Project Management Professional Certificate not only confirms your skills, but also demonstrates your job readiness.
It opens doors to potential career opportunities, helping you become a bridge between business needs and real-world solutions.
Let's set the stage. Imagine yourself as an entry-level project manager tasked with overseeing the delivery of a complex project for a large organisation.
You'll be required to outline the project scope and implement the project management principles you have learned over time.
But it doesn't stop there. Picture yourself creating business case documents to outline the need and success of the project, identifying successful milestones along the project's journey, and managing the project environment to enable the project to succeed.
And let's not forget about the Project Management Office. As a project manager, you'll facilitate communication between various stakeholders in the project organisation, such as the sponsor and other leaders.
Then you will learn more about the product manager and its different roles compared to the project manager. Other integral roles include the UX/UI designer, a data analyst, and technical leads.
You'll also support project managers in coordinating and tracking project activities, milestones and timelines, updating project plans, monitoring progress, and communicating status updates to stakeholders.
Finally, you'll participate in process improvement initiatives, identifying areas for optimization and proposing solutions to streamline operations.
Remember, when you graduate, you'll have tangible examples to talk about in job interviews and be prepared to undertake the Project Management Professional or PMP certification exam.
As an industry leader in technology and business solutions, Microsoft offers unparalleled training in project management.
Congratulations on taking the first step toward becoming a successful project manager in various fields across industries.
Once you complete this program, it's time to start exploring potential careers. And don't forget to share your Coursera Professional Certificate with your social networks to get that extra promotional advantage.
By completing this learning journey, you'll develop a deeper understanding of project management fundamentals.
and also acquire practical skills essential for success in the field.
So let's embark on this exciting educational and career journey together.
Good luck and happy learning!